I can't even keep a straight face and start this intro, and I got an itch. Is this inconspicuous? Hey everybody, my name is Shane, and today I really wanted to sit down and film with you guys, and I didn't know what I wanted to film. Now, I sat here and I was looking at my makeup and I'm like, you know what I have never done yet? And I know the trend is kind of over and done with, but the whole I followed whoever's makeup tutorial trend, you guys remember that? Like a month ago, it was a really big thing. As usual, I'm late to the party, so that's what we're doing today. So we are following Miss Jaime French's makeup tutorial here on YouTube. We're gonna put her video on the screen here and get started. Some say love, I like to sing it is a river.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for today's video. Today we did the Tiny Hands makeup challenge. We did a spring makeup tutorial, as you can see. Just kind of a fresh, bright spring makeup look. Let's get right on with the video.
Alright, here we go. We're getting started on the video, so let's see what our first step is going to be.
Super Stay. It's kind of like a foolproof go-to foundation for me right now because it is full of coverage. So this is what the bottle looks like.
Okay, so we're skipping moisturizer and primer, so we're just going to go right into foundation. Normally, I would prime my skin using the Urban Decay Optical Illusion Primer, but she skipped that step, so we're gonna skip that step too and go right into foundation. So she's using the Maybelline Super Stay. So I also happen to have Maybelline's Super Stay. I think this color might be a shade too light for me because I do self-tan. Today I happen to self-tan, so it might be a little too light, but we're gonna go with it. So I put a little bit of foundation on my fingertips here. Now, I just did that off camera because everybody knows what foundation looks like going on hands, right? And I'm just gonna take a little bit, and we're first going to just kind of dot it for some reason all over the face. There we go. You want like a nice even coverage, so I try to get a little bit pretty much everywhere to begin with. There we go. There we go. Little bit is stuck in between my fingers here. Let's try to get that out, not waste any product. I don't know how ridiculous I look right now.
Here we have a sponge.
And then I am going to take my favorite blending tool, which is my Beauty Blender. And I usually kind of start...
We're just getting the nose a little better, nothing weird. Got some on my mouth.
I usually start using the butt of the sponge just to kind of start pressing this into my skin.
Here, I'm just gonna wipe off. And girls, keep it sanitary. Keep your hands clean, okay?
You know, this is really easy. Using the Beauty Blender, it really speeds up your makeup routine in the morning. And, you know, I've tried to use a lot of other different products on the market, and I just feel like the Beauty Blender does the best job. I just feel like you can really get a good grip on the Beauty Blender, and then, you know, really just dab right into the skin, and you can see already that my foundation is just blending really nicely into my skin. Okay, I just wanted to use the butt, but I think we're just gonna go over the same couple of spots a couple of times. And then we can kind of maybe do this like rolling motion. I don't know. Ooh, my hands are so dry. So we're just gonna kind of keep the Beauty Blender where it is and just get up in that nose, get those cracks. All right. I'm gonna use the back of my hands here to kind of help. The Beauty Blender usually does a fantastic job. I'm just kind of having an off day. No one ever says that fingers can't be used to apply your foundation. I used to do it all the time in high school before Beauty Blenders was a thing, so you know, it's not wrong. Just kind of whatever you prefer. Get my hair out of the way while we're at it. All right, our foundation is done. There's no need to go down to the neck because we're already mismatching, so I don't want the illusion that I tried to match, so we're gonna move on.
So concealer is one of my favorite products to apply. I usually apply it here under the eyes and down the center of the face.
Today I'm actually really excited. We are using a newer product. Not a new product by any means. This is just the first time I've gotten my hands on it. So I finally got my hands on the Shape Tape Concealer from Tarte. Obviously, this product has been around for quite a while. I'm just the last one on that bandwagon. So we're gonna open it up. I have used it a couple times, and I must say, I was a little bit worried about using it because there were rumors that maybe it's not gonna be the best if you tend to have drier skin. But we're just gonna open it here. Why am I holding it with my wrist? So we're gonna open it here, and it has a nice like doe foot applicator. I really like that, and that's a really nice cover. So I'm gonna put a little bit underneath my eyes because, you know, I don't like using foundation without concealer. I'm not sure how the laws of physics is working right now, but we're gonna just apply a little bit underneath our eyes, right down the nose. Snatch that nose. A little bit on our Cupid's bow, a little bit on our chin, a little bit on our forehead. Yes. Now it doesn't really matter if you get it to where it actually needs to go because you're gonna blend it out anyways. So going back into my trusty booby blender. Good Lord, I forgot the video. Girl, what are you doing?
And we're gonna take our sponge again, pounce it out. You know what? We need the other side of the sponge.
I just kind of stopped watching her tutorial and started doing my own thing.
That pointy tip is really gonna get under your eye. Really get this blended out.
All right, perfect. We are actually not the same product, but same idea. So she applied her concealer. Honestly, I think the whole keeping the beauty blender pressed against your face and then just kind of moving your hands works best.
So a really important step in any makeup tutorial is your eyebrows.
Oh girl, you're moving too fast. We're on our brows. All right, let's pause you because I'm still blending. I don't know how you did so dang fast. Beauty takes time. Now we're gonna move on to the nose. I really want a snatched, slim nose to get that optical illusion. We really gotta keep that concealer, you know, right down the bridge of our nose. So probably using the butt end of the beauty blender isn't the best. Whew. Is anyone else sweating? What's my mirror doing? And can't forget about that chin. The Cupid's bow though, we're gonna let it go. Oh, okay. We're blended. What now? Jaime.
Don't neglect them. What should we use today? This is the Maybelline Total Temptation Brow Definer. And in beauty school I learned that your eyebrows...
We're doing eyebrows.
Sisters, not twins.
My brows are not gonna look like sisters. They're not even gonna look related. So she's using a brow pencil, which is usually my preference as well, but I'm not really feeling up to using a brow pencil today because it, you know, it takes time and precision, both of which I don't have today. So instead we're gonna go in with this handy dandy angled brush here, and I have a little bit of pomade. I have a little bit of pomade from Anastasia, so we're gonna use that. So I'm just gonna kind of dip the brush in here a little bit, and then we're just gonna start filling in these brows, I guess.
So if one of your eyebrows is 14 inches lower than the other one, don't even sweat it.
You know, I like the pomade if you kind of want more of like a striking brow. I feel like if you're going for something a little more natural, that's why I kind of tend to go to the pencil a little bit more. But the brow pomade, if you're trying to get like a nice, you know, crisp, clean line, especially underneath the brow, I really do think the pomade is a great product. Now it does tend to dry out before you run out of it, so you can either you know, rehydrate it with an oil. Oh, you're so itchy. But the pomade is a great product, but if I had to choose, I would choose the pencil. I just feel like it takes a little more time, and you know what, I don't feel like doing my makeup forever today, so we're just gonna go with the pomade. So I got the tops of my brows filled in. It looks good. All right, girl, tell me what to do next.
So the next thing we're gonna do is contouring. Contouring kind of slender out. Contouring kind of slenderizes the face. You know, it's gonna sink in our cheekbones here. My all-time favorite thing to contour with right now is this shade here from the Pure Cosmetics.
All right, so I don't have this Pure Cosmetics palette, but she's just using a big fluffy brush, little bit of contour powder. I'm just gonna use a bronzer for this. All right, she's contouring. She contours what? The cheeks?
Ooh, I look so skinny, girl. And you may not think you need it, but don't
we're just
forget about blush.
We're contouring the cheeks because she's moving on to blush. All right, let me grab my Becca. Oh, there goes my bronzer. Sorry, I was just praying that we get through the rest of this makeup tutorial without any more tragedies because my poor Becca bronzer is just not having it. So we're gonna take this brush right here. It's just a nice fluffy brush. I actually use this a lot for this bronzer. So we're just gonna dip it in a little bit. You know what? We're not even gonna tap it off. The main part of this challenge is just freaking holding anything. All right, there we go. Oh. We're just gonna kind of do the same thing like with the Beauty Blender, how we just kind of didn't move the brush and instead moved our face. So I'm just gonna hold the brush steady and I'm just gonna move my face so we can get nice bronze contoured cheeks. There we go. Ooh, Halle Berry who? Same thing on the other cheek, just not really even moving the brush. Just move your face. That's how you get the most natural look. Can you see my finger? There we go. And she stopped at the cheek, so we're done with that. So this girl was moving on to blush next.
I like to just smile so that the balls of my cheeks
all right.
really
a little bit of blush on the cheek. She's using a nice big fluffy brush. Oh, lordy, she's moving too fast. Oh, where'd my headphones go? I ain't even... Oh my god, I found the rest of my bronzer. Honestly, I am terrified to hold any more products in my hands today. I don't know what it is. I just got butterfingers. So I'm just going to take this big old fluffy unicorn brush I use a lot for blush. And I'm going to dip it right into my Milani blush called Luminoso. It's just a nice peachy shade. Just believe me because I can't show you. And we're just, oh my god. All right, forget that brush because we ain't going back down there. All right, instead we're going to take our contouring brush again a little bit right on this blush. Am I beautiful yet? Oh, Lord, blush is done. What next?
For eyeshadow today, I'm going to go in with the Pixie collaboration.
What is this color correcting bull?
Whaley Hang, because her and I are best friends, and I just think
okay, we're going in eyeshadow. All right, so we need to find a dark brown eyeshadow. Luckily, I have this gorgeous Morphe palette with a whole bunch of neutrals. So let's go ahead and find our brush of choice. I like this fluffy brush from Anastasia, so we're going to use this one, and I'm taking a nice, soft, warm dark brown.
Sweep in it. Hey!
Alright, and then she's
girl.
just,
I mean, this color is cute. Another technique you can do is to just hold your brush steady and just shake your head.
She had the same, you know what I'm doing. She had the same technique for me as I did on my face. So this girl just did a nice windshield wiper motion. I just like to keep my other hand there for support. Nice. Yes. A little bit more for the other eye. We're just skipping the whole tapping off part today because, I don't know, I just feel like going for an intense, dramatic eye today. I think we're gonna get that. All right, transition shade is done. Ooh,
let's highlight the lid with
she's taking a nice lighter shade. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna flip this brush right around because we got a nice little flat shader brush here, and we're gonna go into the lighter shade in this palette. It's just kind of like an off white. And where'd she pack that? Right on the lid? Yeah, right. Don't ask me how I'm applying this, just watch the video.
How about I think I'm feeling a wing. I personally am really good at this.
We're like twins, I'm telling you. Oh,
my hands are small, I know.
Oh Lord, you took it there. We're doing a wing. Normally, I'm happy to do a wing. Today, I just wanted to do a mascara. So today we're going to be using a nice liquid liner from L'Oreal, and we're going to try to do a wing today, I guess. Oh my god, I didn't even wipe off the brush. So we got our wing shape, and we're just going to bring that straight across like a so.
I mean, is that wing on fleek or no?
Now, the hardest thing about doing wings isn't necessarily doing the wing, it's making the wings match. So we're going to try to make it match as best as possible. So we're really going for drama here. And then we want to make sure we connect that because that's going to look weird if we don't. Oh, this ain't half bad. And then, of course, we want to finish off the rest of the eye. So I just kind of like to drag the liner across the top of my eyes here. We did it! We absolutely did it. What are you gonna make me do next, girl?
My hands are small, I
No,
know,
but they're not yours. They are my own.
I mean, is that wing on fleek or no? For mascara today, I'm going in with MAC Giga Blash.
Alright.
Giga
what?
Black.
Giga Black. Right, she's going in with MAC Giga Black. I don't got that. What I do have, however, did I completely miss the part where she powdered?
And we're just gonna set that with powder. Use a puff.
Moving on. For mascara today, I have L'Oreal's Telescopic Mascara in Carbon Black. I've been using this one for years. So she definitely does the top. Let's see if my girl does the bottom lashes while we do this.
So much.
Oh, she dropped it.
It smells really good. So as you can see, I now have some redness here. And you might not know how to fix it, but I'll tell you a little secret.
Ooh, tell me a secret.
Just pick up your sponge. It should have some leftover foundation on it and just dab. I mean, I look amazing and everything.
That's good advice. No joke. If I mess up, that's what I do. All right, she did not put mascara on the bottom. What is she doing?
I'm gonna go with a hot pink.
Lippy clip. Ooh, all right, she's going for like a nice hot pink. Not quite as bright as I want, but you know what? I might have a good match. Let's go. I do have Backstage Bambi, which is a pretty close match, but it's in my car right now. So instead, we're gonna try Mother. From Kat Von D, which is actually one of my favorite liquid lipsticks.
And this is their lippy clip. Can you see that label? Oh, yeah.
I think we're gonna try the same technique we've been kind of trying throughout the whole video, where we keep the brush itself steady and just move our hands. Bring the brush up a little bit. And yeah, I know where my lips are. I can do this. Why didn't we do this blindfolded? This is too easy. All right, girl, what do you got for me after lipstick?
You don't even need a lip liner.
Don't even need a lip liner.
Use your fingers.
I agree.
Like Marilyn Monroe. Just like Marilyn.
Just like Marilyn?
I clearly look amazing. I'm gonna add a little bit more eyeliner. Oh!
Oh, more
Using
eyeliner.
a little dried out, I think.
I think I got plenty of that.
Oh, yeah. All right, girls, that's the finished look.
Ooh, all right, we're finished. I guess we didn't do
oh my gosh, I had way too much fun.
highlight or anything. So this is the finished look. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed seeing how I got today's look. It's honestly like a really nice natural kind of look. I do like the pop of color with the lips. I felt like going dramatic with the eyeliner today, a little, again, Amy Winehouse kind of look. So I really like it. I definitely think this is something that I could just throw on and like go out to Walmart or something. So thank you so much. Ooh, I got a little bit of makeup on my hands. That's okay. I'll go wash them off. Thank you so much to Jaime French. This was a fantastic idea. I cracked up through her entire video the first time I ever saw this. This was in good fun, and this is really why I wanted to include her video in today's, because I really didn't want to take any of the credit for it. As much as I wish that I came up with this makeup challenge, there is this challenge going around YouTube. I definitely recommend you guys giving it a try. It's so much harder than it looks. I also wanted to incorporate the whole recreating a YouTuber's makeup tutorial as well. So I feel like we killed two birds with one stone. If there is genuinely a makeup tutorial you guys want me to follow, or maybe just a specific guru, please let me know down below and I'd be happy to do this again. I just thought today was such a fun and creative video idea, and I was so excited to film with you guys. I hope you cracked up through the entire thing. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please go ahead and leave a big old thumbs up on my channel. And if you don't want to miss any new videos, please go ahead and hit that subscribe and notification bell, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys! My hands don't match my skin tone at all.